Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info, and today I'm gonna show you how to use notification cooldown on Android 16. So when you get too many alerts in a short time, this mode will quiet the volume and as well minimize pop-ups. Let's open settings on your device that has Android 16 and you want to go to section notifications. Now let's scroll down to notification cooldown, and here you can enable it. As you can see, I have it already on. Additionally, in this preview you can see how it looks like at the top of your screen. It will has this look. Additionally, calls, alarms, and some priority conversations will be not affected by this notification cooldown mode. So that is basically it. I really hope this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.